First, check whether the air valve is effective. Press the up gear button and the two air valve buttons simultaneously. When the indicator light turns green, you need to feel with your hand under the welding torch head to see if there is any gas flowing out. If so, you can click both buttons simultaneously again to close it. Second, check whether the wire retraction and feeding function is in good condition. Up gear plus wire feeding, 3 button, or up gear plus wire retraction, 6 button. Third, confirm whether the robot can emit light. Press the up gear button and the 4 spot welding button simultaneously to observe whether the robot's welding torch emits light. Fourth, confirm whether the coordinate system has been successfully switched. Click the coordinate system button to switch to the coordinate system that is often used. For example, for now, switch to the rectangular dot coordinate system first. Fifth, click the speed button to adjust the speed. Confirm that the current speed is within your controllable range. For example, currently adjust the speed to 50%. Sixth, hold the teaching device while pressing the enable switch at the back. Click the servo ready button to put the robot in the enabled state. Convenient mobile robot. Open the main interface of the teaching device display panel. Click the new button at the lower left corner of the screen. Enter the name of the program you want. After entering the program name, click confirm to enter the main interface of the program. First, move the robot to a certain preparation point. After moving to the preparation point, click the insert button. Click the motion type button again to switch the pluggable programs. For example, the program inserted at this moment is the joint coordinate move job. Vj equals 100, place equals 0.0, t equals 1, u equals 1. Click the confirm button to insert the first line of the program. Continue to move the robot through the robot axis keys XYZ keys. Move to the arc starting point. Click the insert and OK keys to insert another checkpoint B below the first line of instructions. After inserting the arc starting point, the command to turn on the laser needs to be inserted. First, click the programming command arc start button, then click the selection button and choose the corresponding laser process number. For example, if you select process 0 at this moment, click the confirm button to insert this instruction. The instruction laserwelding 0 LJ equals 0 LGJ equals 0 WF S equals 1 has been inserted. After insertion, move the robot again. Insert weld seam trajectory command. Click the motion type button to switch the program you want to insert. Note that the weld seam trajectory must use movable straight lines. Then click the selection button to modify the welding speed VL command. For example, modify it to 0.15 mm per second at this moment. Click the confirm button to insert the program. Then click the welding command, arc extinguishing, and confirmation keys to insert the arc extinguishing program. Move the robot welding torch again and move it to a certain safe point. Insert a checkpoint bit. The simple welding program has been completed. Turn the key of the teaching device to the automatic mode. Check if the trajectory is correct. Click the up gear button and the weld effective 5 button simultaneously. When the key is not illuminated, click the servo ready button again. Click the run button. At this moment, a program that runs empty without welding can be carried out. Observe whether there are any abnormal conditions during the welding process at this time. Under the condition that there are no abnormalities in posture and height, click the up key and the weld effective key simultaneously. Click the run button again. Actual welding can be carried out at this moment. Note, during the welding process, it is essential to observe the speed of the automatic operation. You can click the speed button to adjust the current control speed when running for the first time. You can lower the speed and run it slowly.